Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Surfers. So today I will share with you a amazing website where you can generate unlimited text to video absolutely free of cost. So in this video we will going to learn how you can generate text to video unlimited and totally free. So you don't need any login, you don't have to see any ads, so you have no limits. You can create unlimited videos, and also the video will be also voice supported. So let's get started. So firstly you have to go to one of your browser, and here you have to search the website name, and the website name is text video dot replit dot app. So after coming to this website you have to click generate video, and there you will get a box where you have to write your prompt. So this box is basically you have to describe your video scenario, how which type of video you want to generate. So I will now write a prompt. A man is moving into the time travel. So let's see. So then you have to click generate video. So as you can see, this have successfully generated video. So let's see what is the quality of this video. Wow. So if I generate another video, so a girl is talking with butterflies. So let's see what happened. So it won't take that much time, it just generate video within a minute. So this have successfully generated video within a minute, and let's see what is the quality of this video. That's it, and the video quality is like similar. So my suggestion would be, if you won't get the best result by your prompt, you have to generate this button in a second. This thank you so much for your time. If you enjoy the video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join our others community. Thank you so much for your time.